What is industrial automation? Industrial automation refers to the use of control systems, such as computers or robots, and information technologies for handling different processes and machinery in an industry to minimize human and manual input. There are four main types of industrial automation systems, each tailored to meet different production needs and complexities. First up, fixed automation, also known as hard automation. This system is your go-to for mass production where speed and consistency are key. This type of automation system is known for its high production rates. Next is programmable automation, ideal for batch production and adaptable to various product types. It offers great flexibility and provides moderate production rates. Flexible automation combines high throughput with the ability to switch tasks seamlessly. This system offers high adaptability, moderate to high production rates, and computed integrability. Lastly, integrated automation represents the pinnacle of industrial technology, seamlessly connecting every part of your manufacturing process. This type of system offers full process integration, high efficiency and consistency, as well as advanced data utilization. Now, let's explore how automation technologies are transforming factories around the globe. Industry 4.0 refers to the integration of digital technology into industrial processes. It has allowed the creation of smart factories where machines optimize themselves to enhance productivity and reduce waste. Enter the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, where every sensor and machine is connected. This network drives smarter decisions, predictive maintenance, and revolutionary automation capabilities, all in real time. Robotics technology is at the forefront of industrial automation, handling complex tasks with unmatched precision and reliability. From assembly lines to hazardous environments, robots help boost efficiency while keeping human workers safe. Next, artificial intelligence is transforming automation by learning and improving on its own. AI enhances everything from quality control to demand forecasting, ensuring every decision is data-driven and precise. Big data is a critical component of the digital age. By analyzing vast amounts of operational data, industries can predict equipment failures, optimize processes, and increase product quality. Cloud computing offers scalable resources, making data storage and analysis more accessible than ever, enhancing collaboration and flexibility across the board. As we connect more, protecting our systems becomes more crucial. Cybersecurity in automation safeguards vital data and processes from cyber threats, maintaining integrity and confidentiality. The use of advanced materials and additive manufacturing is reshaping production landscapes. From custom designs to complex structures, these technologies open new horizons for innovation and customization. Finally, modeling, simulation, and immersive technologies like VR allow us to test and optimize systems in virtual environments. This reduces development time and enhances performance before anything is even built. Industrial automation is transforming manufacturing and operations, and it's only going to grow. So stay informed and prepared to keep up with the latest advancements. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated.